good with it? Welcome back to Outlandish Kicks. Today we're reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Green. Quick little review and then we're going to get some shots up by the pool. When I first seen this shoe in pics, my initial reaction was that they were fire. In hand, even more fire. I really like the green. I like how the sail brings out the green. I like sail. It's just such a subtle color and it makes the shoe pop more. I like the little hints of purple and yellow on the tongue tag. Going into the upper, got your tumble leather. It really looks good. Of course, they did something to kind of hinder the shoe a little bit. Put the Spring 19 little wording on it. If they was gonna do that, they should have made it like 3M or something. I mean, that's the only way I would counter it, but... And then they put that on the shoe like there's no size tag on the inside to let us know when they release, but it's whatever. You know, they do what they want to do. But anyway, let's get some close-ups. I hope y'all like this video. I'm hot. Box almost melted. Suede almost caught on fire. I was chased by wasps. Enjoy.